BYD sells 4 million electric vehicles a year, but not every model deserves your money. 9 have been scored across reliability, resale value, repair costs, and real owner complaints. 4 of them failed badly. We're ranking worst to best, exposing models that bleed value and break trust before revealing 5 that actually earn a recommendation. The spread between bottom and top is brutal. Let's start with the worst offender. In 9th place, the BYD Tang Premium 7-seat SUV commands a steep €72,000 price tag, but delivers massive ownership risk. This dual-motor EV offers 5.8-second acceleration, but its reputation is dragged down by the largest recall in BYD history, affecting over 115,000 older models for battery fire hazards. If you buy one today, you face severe parts shortages. Australian owners report catastrophic air conditioning compressor failures, leaving them waiting up to 45 days for imported replacement components. With out-of-warranty repairs easily exceeding $1,500, the Tang is a flagship-priced gamble that is incredibly difficult to justify. 8th place, the BYD Song Plus DMI. This plug-in hybrid pairs a 1.5-liter engine with electric drive for a 650-kilometer combined range, but it brings massive mechanical complexity. A Chinese market tracker logged 1,182 complaints in a single month, citing persistent hybrid mode switching issues and glitchy fuel tank sensors. While BYD's pure electrics enjoy minimal maintenance, this dual powertrain setup drives annual service bills up to $700 at European dealers. Combined with local listings showing a poor 45 to 50% resale value after 3 years, this high-maintenance hybrid is a financial gamble. 7th place, the BYD Dolphin. This compact electric hatchback seems like an affordable entry point, but it brings frustrating ownership compromises. The Dolphin was swept up in a massive steering control recall affecting nearly 100,000 vehicles due to fire risks. Owners report frequent issues with paper-thin panels that dent easily, recurring charging error messages, and an early Apple CarPlay bug that required over-the-air patches. Performance is lethargic, taking 9.5 seconds to hit 100 kilometers per hour, while DC fast charging caps out at a sluggish 88 kilowatts. Worst of all, the used market hates them. You can expect a brutal 55% value loss within 3 years, leaving you with a poor 45% residual value. 6th place, the BYD Atto 1, also known as the Seagull. While its $28,000 price tag makes it highly tempting, it is a textbook case of getting exactly what you pay for. It avoids major safety recalls, but real-world reliability is weak. The low-voltage 12-volt starter battery regularly dies within 18 months, leaving drivers completely stranded. Take it on a test drive and you will notice messy suspension roll, severe pitch, and soft, mushy brakes. On top of that, poor battery thermal management chokes real-world range down to a useless 220 kilometers. When it is time to sell, prepare for a hit. You will lose up to 60% of your money, leaving a brutal 40% residual value after 3 years. It is cheap for a reason. In 5th place, the BYD Atto 3 is a practical compact SUV that pairs a 60.5 kilowatt-hour LFP battery with vehicle-to-load capability and a rotating dashboard screen. A 100,000-kilometer long-term test logged average energy consumption at 18.7 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. Real-world battery durability is strong, with owners reporting over 85% capacity retention after 4 years of mixed driving. However, it is not without faults. A major reliability survey ranked the brand 30th out of 31, driven by software glitches and early 12-volt starter battery failures. Resale is also tough, with Australian data showing 35 to 40% first-year depreciation. It offers solid hardware, even if you have to tolerate those annoying software bugs. 4th place, the BYD Chin. It represents a highly rational balance of reliability and purchase value. Priced between 30,000 and 38,000 euros in Europe, this sedan avoids the major safety recalls that plague other models in the lineup. The electric drivetrain delivers a swift 6.5 second 0 to 100 sprint, while consuming just 15 kilowatt hours of energy per 100 kilometers. Real-world owners back this up, with forum estimates showing a tiny 1% complaint rate, mostly limited to minor software bugs. If you ever need maintenance, European parts arrive at dealers in just 2 to 3 days. Best of all, the used market loves it, retaining a strong 60% residual value after 3 years of ownership. With an overall score of 83 out of 100, it is an incredibly smart, hassle-free buy. Third place, the BYD Han. This premium electric sedan moves us into true high-performance territory without sacrificing long-term battery health. While most performance EVs trash their battery packs, real-world data shows the Han's 85 kilowatt-hour blade battery loses just 5 to 10% capacity after 4 years of heavy driving. No major recalls have hit this flagship, and it delivers a blistering 3.5 second 0 to 100 sprint. Inside, you get a luxury cabin, but be prepared for premium-tier out-of-warranty component repairs, which run between $800 and $1,200. Routine annual service remains a reasonable $300 to $400, and the European market rewards owners with a strong 65% residual value after 3 years. It scores a highly impressive 87 out of 100, representing a fast, durable executive sedan that easily justifies its luxury price tag. In second place, the BYD Celion 7 midsize electric SUV delivers strong family practicality, though you should watch out for early platform quirks. ChargePort data tracks its 3-year residual value at an excellent 68%, making it a highly stable used market option. On the road, CarExpert logged an efficient energy consumption of 16.5 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, squeezing a solid 482 kilometers of range out of the battery pack. The Blade battery is rated for 3,000 charge cycles, meaning the hardware should easily outlast a decade of daily driving. Maintenance is highly predictable, with annual service estimates running between $300 and $423. However, the software requires patience. Early owners report frustrating driver assist glitches, including sudden phantom braking incidents and laggy screen responses. It scores 89 out of 100, standing as a serious threat to the Tesla Model Y. And finally, in first place, the BYD Seal. Scoring an impressive 92 out of 100, this electric sedan represents the most compelling package on paper, even if a final buy recommendation remains pending until regional trim specs are locked in. A rigorous 50,000-kilometer long-term test revealed a phenomenal 95% battery state of health, proving the longevity of its blade chemistry. For everyday driving, the performance version sprints from 0 to 100 in 5 seconds flat, while delivering a highly usable 560-kilometer WLTP range. It is safe too, earning a 5-star ANCAP rating. Maintenance is highly predictable, costing about $300 annually for routine servicing. The used market reflects this strength, with European owners retaining 58% value after 3 years, and Australian residuals hovering near 70% after year 1. Yes, some drivers complain about occasional touchscreen software lag, but that is a minor nuisance rather than a catastrophic mechanical failure. Once local model year details are confirmed, this is the yardstick by which all other electric sedans should be judged. Across these 9 models, the pattern is clear. Avoid BYD's rushed early hybrids and stick to their latest dedicated EV platforms. The brand is evolving fast, but buying their past mistakes will cost you thousands. Subscribe for more honest car reviews.